Hello, Dr. Lu. Welcome to my weekly report. Today, I would like to demonstrate what I have learned since last 1 week. Today, I will show you two basic and very fundamental machine learning techniques, and these are K-means and KNN algorithms. As you know, K-means is basically a clustering algorithm and it has been widely used for clustering certain attributes. However, KNN is very popular classifier algorithm and it's widely been used for classification purpose. As you see this K-means algorithm, and this is KNN algorithm. Firstly, let me describe K-means algorithm. I will go line by line and will illustrate how does it work. Okay, before going to the actual code, let me show you the data. As you see, this is ARFF file extension, which is very popular format for Java Weka input. In this input, we have three attributes, and these are pictures, paragraph, and profit. The first two attributes are numeric, and the last one is yes or no. That means that is nominal. Here is the full data description. The first line 10 to Y means the 10 value for pictures, 2 for paragraphs, and Y for yes for profit. Now come to the actual code for K-means. These K-means declaration. So here is the simple means K-means, new simple K-means. K-means dot set. This line means important parameter to set, preserver order, number of cluster. Important parameter is to set, preserver order, number of cluster, and this K-means is set preserve instance order. That is true. As we have to declare the how many number of cluster will be our final target, this line means the following. K-means dot set num clusters 2 and buffer, and then this is for loading the data into our K-means model. This is the buffered reader, input reader, and input reader, new buffered reader. This line means the final assignment for our K-means. So this is the array, and this array has many elements at the number of instances. Okay, this array returns the cluster number starting with 0 for each instance. This line means the final assignment for our k-means, and the overall block is coded in try or catch block to avoid exception. Now let me run the code to see the output. Here is the output. Instance 0 is cluster 1, instance 1 cluster 1, instance 2 cluster 1, instance 3 cluster 0, instance 4 cluster 0, instance 5 cluster 0. This is KNN class example. This is for reading the data from file. This is the reading the data from file, which is very similar to previous example. This is for loading the data into instances. So here is the instances data. Data equal to new instances data file, data dot set class index, data dot number attributes. Since we are working on classifier, this is for setting the class level. So data dot set class index, data dot number attributes. This is the classifier of IBK, new IBK, and this is the build classifier of IBK, and this code is for the classified the IBK. This is for loading the data. Okay, now this is for testing the data. Now let me run the code and see what is the output. Here is the output. Data 0 is classified to 0, data 1 is classified to 0, data 2 is classified to 0, data 3 is classified to 1, data 4 is classified to 1, and data 5 is classified to 1. This week mostly I used my time to implement Weka library. From next week I will try to incorporate JSP file explanation. Thank you Dr. Lu for watching the video.